Hey students, I welcome you all to this virtual platform. Let us have this e-content on the topic environmental economics. I wish you all happy learning. Thank you. Environmental economics is a study that analyzes the financial impact from environmental policies like production, distribution, pollution, depletion, externality, and so on. Definition: the part of economics which deals with interrelationship between environment and economic development, and it studies the ways and means by which the former is not impaired nor the latter impeded. It studies the impacts of interaction between men and nature and also find solutions to maintain harmony between men and nature. It teaches how to promote economic growth of nations with least environmental damages. Scope and importance of environmental economics. It analyzes the interrelationship between economic agents and the environment. It discusses the allocation problem due to the use of environmental resources. It studies how best the economic growth of the society could be maintained without damaging the environment. It studies about cost and effect in general and overexploitation of resources arising out of the society, and also identifying efficient natural resource management options for sustainable development. These are the twin objectives of environmental economics. Number 1, conservation of resources, and number 2, promise to economic growth. And these twin objectives can be achieved through the following ways: economic growth and environmental balance, pollution control and environment welfare maximizing principle, conservation of resources, and limits to growth by cost and benefit analysis. Environmental segments. There are four environmental segments, namely lithosphere, hydrosphere, biosphere, and atmosphere. Lithosphere is the top crust of the earth. The lithosphere consists of rocks and soil. Rocks are composed of minerals and results from physical, chemical, and biological process during weathering. And it has a mixture of organic and inorganic matter as well as water content. The lithosphere occupies 30% of the total area of Earth, and organic matter of 5% determines the productivity of the soil. Hydrosphere. Hydrosphere refers to water occupying greater part of the Earth's surface, which covers 70% of surface of Earth. Both surface and groundwater resources like oceans, seas, streams, reservoirs, glaciers, polar ice caps, groundwater, and water locked in the interior of the Earth. Biosphere. Biosphere is the region where life exists on the Earth. It extends from about 10,000 meters below sea level to 6,000 meters above sea level. Biosphere contains more than 35,000 species of plants and 11 million animal species. The biosphere supplies essential requisites of life for all those species, namely light, heat, water, food, living space, and thus it supports life. It interlinks all sections of the environment. The last is the atmosphere. It is the thin gaseous envelope surrounding the Earth and contains gases, water vapor, and dust particles. It extends up to 500 kilometers above the surface of the Earth and about 50 kilometers from the Earth. Atmosphere consists of nitrogen, oxygen, argon, carbon dioxide, neon, helium, and methane. Atmosphere protects Earth from dangerous cosmic radiations like infrared radiation and greenhouse effects from outer space. Oxygen and carbon dioxide present in atmosphere are essential for life and plant life. Dear students, I hope you have better understanding about the concepts of environment and the relationship between environmental economics and the environment where we live in. Thank you for watching this e-content.